Thanks for tuning into D2 Wrenchworks and DIY. Today's video is going to be about 5-inch sanders that use a hook and loop, which is going to be like a Velcro type that sticks on. This is going to be replacing the 5-inch disc part using the Amazon 4-bolt universal pieces. So let's break this down, starting with step number 1. Now, as you can see here, you have the 4 bolts in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to start by removing your old one. And what we're going to do is we're going to use that old one as a template to drill holes, because in between these 4 holes, each one has a hole for little pins on the inside. You'll see here in the pictures. And since this is a universal piece that we have, you're going to have to actually drill these pieces out yourself. So for step 2 here, what we're going to do is remove the yellow plastic base of the original pad and use that as a template. You'll see here in the next clip, I got a small pair of plastic clamps to clamp it down to the original one, and I used just something cylinder shaped to stick it through on the other side of the hole, and this is just going to help it stay in place for when you drill it. So for our last step, step number 3, you're going to secure your template on top of the drill pad. And what I did here, you want to make a quick depth check on your drilling piece, whatever you're using. I'm using a small Dremel bit here. And so what you do, put 4 pilot holes in there to mark where it needs to be, and once you're done with that, separate the template, take your new drill pad, and go ahead and finish up your holes to your preferred depth. And once you're done with that, you are now finished and you are ready to mount your new pad. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe for many more budget tips and DIY things.